You watch English videos every day. You understand them. You read English posts on social media. You understand them too. You listen to English songs. You know what they're saying. So your English is good, right? But then someone asks you a question in English and your mind goes blank. The words don't come out. You know what you want to say in your language, but in English, nothing. Why does this happen? Let me explain. Understanding English is easy because you have time. When you watch a video, you can pause, you can rewind, you can read subtitles. Your brain has time to process the words. When you read, it's even easier. The words just sit there. You can read them slowly, you can read them again if you don't understand. No pressure, no rush. But speaking is completely different. When you speak, there's no pause button. There's no rewind. You have to think fast. You have to find the right words immediately. You have to put them in the right order, and you have to say them clearly. All of this happens in your brain in just 2 seconds. That's hard. Here's another reason speaking feels difficult. When you listen or read, you're passive. You receive information. Your brain just understands. But when you speak, you're active. You create sentences. You produce language. This uses a completely different part of your brain. Think about it like this. Watching someone cook is easy, but actually cooking yourself, that's harder. You understand English because you practice receiving it, but you can't speak because you don't practice producing it. It's that simple. So, what's the solution?
You need to practice speaking every single day. Not just listening, not just reading, speaking. Here's what you can do starting today. First, talk to yourself in English. Yes, I'm serious. When you wake up, say, "Good morning," out loud. When you make coffee, say, "I'm making coffee." When you feel tired, say, "I feel tired." Describe everything you do. This trains your brain to produce English naturally. Second, repeat what you hear. When you watch a video, pause after each sentence. Repeat it out loud. Copy the speaker's voice. This is called shadowing. It's very powerful. Third, record yourself speaking. Talk about your day for 2 minutes. Record it on your phone. Listen to it. You'll hear your mistakes. You'll see where you struggle. Then try again tomorrow. Do this every day for 30 days. You'll be shocked at your progress. Fourth, don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they speak. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn. So speak, make mistakes, learn, speak again. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Here's the truth. Understanding English and speaking English are 2 different skills. You've been training one skill, but not the other. That's why speaking feels so hard. But now you know what to do. Practice speaking every single day, even if it's just talking to yourself, even if it's just repeating sentences from videos, even if it's just recording yourself for 2 minutes. Do it consistently. In 1 month, speaking will feel easier. In 3 months, you'll speak more naturally. In 6 months, you won't believe how much you've improved. The secret isn't magic. It's not expensive courses. It's not living abroad. The secret is simple daily practice, speaking practice. So start today, right now. Say 1 sentence out loud in English. Just 1. Say, "I'm going to practice speaking English every day." Say it. Good. That's your first step. Now keep going. And listen, I share more simple English tips like this every week. Tips that actually help you speak better. Real methods that work. If you want to keep improving your English with me, stick around. There's so much more I want to show you. Let's make your English better together, one simple step at a time.